guys, welcome to Hook It Bag. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this easy crocheted rose, and as you can see I've gone ahead and sewn the little roses onto a hat. So I'm going to be using a medium-sized yarn. In this case I'm using red heart yarn, but whatever yarn you have sitting around your house will work just fine. I'm also using a 5mm crocheting hook. So if you like what you see in this video, be sure to give my video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Chain stitch 12 times and then tie into a little loop. To make a petal, double crochet 7 times all into that little loop you made when you tied the circle together. And the first 6 double crochets are done like you normally would do a double crochet stitch. The 7th is done by chain stitching 3 and connecting it into that loop. And that just helps you to keep everything from start to finish in that one loop. So after you finish your first petal, skip 2 stitches on that loop, that chain loop that you originally made, and go into the 3rd. And that's where you begin your new petal. Same thing, you're going to do 7 double crochets all within that one little stitch. And your 7th is going to be the double crochet where you chain stitch 3 and connect it to the bottom of the loop. Just keep making these petals until you've made 4. And once you've done your 4th one, things change a little bit and I'll show you what to do at that point. So once you've done your 4th petal, go into the very bottom of the petal that's on your very left. And it should be right in the middle, and pick up a loop and then begin to make your new petal. This will be your 5th petal, and from here on out we're going to be picking up the middle of the bottom of the petal that's on our left. I'll show you exactly how to do this, but that's going to kind of create a staggered pattern for the petals and make the rose look a little bit more realistic. So once again, I'm just going right into the middle bottom of the petal to my very left, and that's where I will start my new petal. So when you do your final petal, your 8th petal, go across your work instead of to the next petal over, and that's going to tie off that big gap that you see right in the middle of the flower. Finish off your project by tying it off, cut the yarn, and pull the yarn through to the other side. And on the other side you'll have 2 loose strands of yarn, and those will be used later to tie the rose onto something. So if you'd like to, go ahead and add a few more colors. Then choose a hat, scarf, or sweater and tie onto the outside for a stunning look. And your hat is done. This would make a wonderful gift, but I think I will be keeping this one for myself. Oh, hi there. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make these beautiful crocheted roses. And if you did, be sure to give my video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned though, because in 2 weeks I have a whole new crafting video coming out that I'm sure you will love. But until then, bye bye!